exploring the latest mining setup for QUAI Coin. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here because today we will be exploring the latest mining setup for QUAI Coin. Are you ready to dive into the future of cryptocurrency mining? Today, we're unlocking the secrets to setting up the most efficient mining rig for QUAI Coin, a revolutionary project poised to redefine blockchain scalability. Let's get started. QUAI Coin isn't your average cryptocurrency. It utilizes a unique hierarchical blockchain structure, offering unparalleled transaction throughput and scalability. This innovative approach requires a slightly different mining setup compared to traditional cryptocurrencies. QUAI Coin's architecture is based on a network of interconnected chains, allowing for parallel processing of transactions. This means faster confirmation times and lower fees, making it a game changer for decentralized applications. Understanding this is crucial for optimizing your mining efforts. Choosing the right hardware is paramount for maximizing your QUAI Coin mining rewards. While CPU mining is possible, GPU mining offers significantly better performance and efficiency. Let's break down the essential components. A powerful GPU is the heart of your mining rig. Look for cards with high hash rates and efficient power consumption. AMD Radeon RX 6000 series and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3000 series cards are excellent choices. Don't underestimate the importance of a robust power supply unit, PSU. Ensure it provides ample wattage to support your GPUs and other components. A high-quality motherboard with multiple PCIe slots is also essential for expanding your mining operation. Once you have your hardware assembled, it's time to configure the software. You'll need to download and install the QUAI Coin mining software, which is available on the official QUAI Coin website. Next, you'll need to join a QUAI Coin mining pool. Mining pools combine the computational power of multiple miners, increasing your chances of finding blocks and earning rewards. Research and choose a reputable pool with low fees and reliable uptime. Configure your mining software with your pool credentials and wallet address. Double-check all settings to ensure accuracy. Start the mining process and monitor your hash rate and earnings. Maximizing your mining efficiency is key to profitability. Overclocking your GPUs can significantly increase your hash rate, but be cautious and monitor temperatures to prevent overheating. Proper cooling is crucial for maintaining stable performance. Consider investing in aftermarket coolers or liquid cooling solutions to keep your GPUs running at optimal temperatures. Regularly monitor your rig's performance and make adjustments as needed. Keep your mining software and drivers up to date to benefit from the latest optimizations and bug fixes. Stay informed about the QUAI Coin network and any upcoming changes that may affect your mining setup. QUAI Coin is constantly evolving, and so is its mining landscape. As the network grows, new mining algorithms and hardware solutions may emerge. Staying ahead of the curve is essential for long-term success. The QUAI Coin team is committed to fostering a vibrant and decentralized mining community. They actively encourage innovation and collaboration, ensuring that QUAI Coin remains accessible to miners of all sizes. By embracing the latest technologies and strategies, you can position yourself for success in the exciting world of QUAI coin mining. The future is bright and the opportunities are endless. Ready to take your QUAI coin mining to the next level? Visit the official QUAI Coin website to download the mining software and join the community. Subscribe to our channel for more in-depth tutorials and updates on QUAI Coin and other cutting-edge blockchain technologies. Share this video with your fellow miners, and let's build the future of decentralized finance together. Start mining QUAI Coin today and be a part of the revolution.